Good day YouTube. Today I'm gonna show you how to clean a toilet from lime stains and perhaps also show some stains in the kitchen of this apartment and just remove them using mostly this one. Hessa Kalkbort. It's a Swedish product, but it's a low pH, about 1. So we use gloves and we use eye protection. I use glasses. Okay, let's see if we can get some stains off. So these are the stains we're gonna try to remove. Pretty bad. Of course it doesn't go away by just using a regular wash dish or something like this, VC clean. No, this is hard, and it's been the toilet has been running water for a long time, bad gaskets and so on, so it's been dripping water and so on. So we got some really nasty stains here, and you can see down there we also have some really bad stains. But that I'm gonna remove the water when I do that. First we start with this one. It's gonna take some work, and I just do it the simplest way I know. You could drain it down with a hand dish, or yeah, something to put here. I don't know what you call them, handuk, and soaking it up so it has to work for 8 hours or even 24 hours. But I think we can get it off just rubbing it. So we start with that. To empty the water, I'm just gonna turn off the water to the faucet here, and then I'm just gonna drain this closet here, the water closet, so it gets empty. So now it's empty, it doesn't refill, and then we can try to pump out the water. Just like this. I'll cut to the next step. So next step is using a sponge to remove the last of the water. I'm just soaking it up in this one and empty the water here, just so we can get more concentrated water inside. Yeah, it seems to be loosening already some of the stains. This sponge it's a car wash, so it has some cleaning inside it already. So next step is applying the Hessa. So I'm cleaning the sponge, and I'm gonna use the sponge to apply the Hessa. I think that will work fine. So I've been pouring hot water on it, and then I'm just gonna pull some not gonna waste, try not to waste it. So this will take some time, and I will have to scrub a lot, but I think it will work. The excess runs down there and doesn't work down there at the same time. So we got some stains all over around here where the water has been dripping. It's common that the gaskets and the water, when the water starts running here, you get the stains automatically after a while. But I'm gonna let it soak here for a while. Come back with an update soon. So it's been a couple of minutes, so let's put on these gloves again and see if we can make some progress. So I'll just keep doing this. I don't have so much, so I will have to be careful not to waste it. But I'll just keep grinding away here and come back when we get some progress. So it's a tough stain, but I've been rubbing here for 5-10 minutes now, and I'm just gonna try to reapply it every now and then and let the acid do its thing. Removes lime, iron and dirt. pH 1.0 in the concentrate, 1.9 in when you use it, so it's a bit strong now. So here in the kitchen we also have some lime stains, and they're pretty hard to get rid of. For example, this one won't work, and this one won't work. It's more for fatty surfaces. But I thought I would try this. Some say you can use WD-40. So let's apply it. Might ruin the gasket here. Might not be so smart. But the things I do for you, we gotta try it, right? So I've been letting it sit for a minute or so, and yes, maybe it works. But I think Hessa lime remover is a better choice, I think. So after using the WD-40, pretty good result. I'm gonna add this one and see if we can get it even better. I'm gonna put it even on the faucet here, and you can see it has some pretty nasty stains here. So I'm gonna give it a rub off. So I've just applied some on the brush here. Let's see what we can get for results. It's pretty good material, this Hessa. So I think it's better than the WD-40. So I'm grinding away here using the Hessa, and the results are coming. Yeah, really nice. The lime stains are almost gone. So this is a nice acid. Nice fluid. I recommend. I don't get anything for doing this. I'm doing it all on my own behalf because I like the product. I'm so small, I don't get any sponsors. I'm just doing it to help you guys out. And hopefully you like the video or subscribe or something like that. And I get some more views and so on. So it's mutual benefits us. Okay. Back to the toilet. Yeah, if I don't put this in another video, I'm doing it all in the same video. And I'm ready. Pretty nice results, right? Almost like new. So I first started off with WD-40, and then I got the Hessa Kalkbort. So I'm getting there. It's getting better and better. I've been doing this a couple of times now, scrubbing away, adding more, and you see I haven't consumed a lot. So, and then sometimes clean it with hot water in between. So we are making progress. Just a small bit left. Keep scrubbing away, adding. Yeah, we've got something there too. And then in the bottom there, still more work to be done. But I thought I would leave this for a night or so later. And maybe we can get it off. Leave it for 15 minutes. And then get back at it. Getting harder and harder to get this on. So anyway, it's clean, yes! Wow! It's gone, all gone. Looking nice, almost looking like brand new. I never thought I would get this loose actually. And anyway, it's just the bottom here, and I just added just a tad of water so that it can reach all the areas, and I'm keep cleaning away here. We still have a little bit in the back, so I'm gonna do a second attempt, and I'm heating it up with just hot tap water here at first, just to make the process a bit faster. And then just preheat it. I'm gonna do another one, and I'm gonna add 1 liter of boiling water. If you use too hot water, it might crack. One more. And let's empty the water again. Yeah, so when you're doing this, you find more. Looky, looky. Didn't see that before, so gonna do it a bit more, but this one doesn't look fresh, so. And we still got some and then there. So let's go ahead and add it again. Now it's preheated, so it might be a bit easier. So you can also clean this. It's really limey, and we got this one also very limey. So let's get at it again. So this is the after. Pretty nice improvement, right? Follow this one, shines again. Yep. Well, I'll leave it now for a couple of hours, and I still got this much, so I haven't consumed much. Could add some, but I think this stain sits hard. We'll get back in a couple of hours. Okay, so let's do the last time. I've been scrubbing away here. I haven't videotaped it all, but basically I've just been scrubbing every hour now and then, and it's been a whole day. So I'm gonna do it once more, and then we'll flush and see how much is left. So I've been doing the sides here, and yeah, I've been able to remove it pretty much. I'll show you with a close-up soon, but this is what I've been doing. We got a mix of the Hessa Kalkbort and water down there. Let's turn on the water and flush it and see the result. Yeah, much better. Yes. So this works. Just take some time. So let's do a close-up. Can you see it? Yeah, but hardly. You really have to choose the right angle. So it looks nice, right? And here, yeah, still have some, but yeah, we got some here. But it was much worse earlier. So anyway, I'm pleased with the results. So hope you liked it. I don't get anything for doing this. I just like to recommend good stuff, and I do often search these things myself, trying to find what works and doesn't work. So this definitely works. Okay, hope you like, subscribe, comment. You have any other preferences? Okay, bye bye.